A typical path for becoming a Java full-stack developer would involve the following steps. Learn the basics of programming and Java. Start by learning the basics of programming concepts such as variables, data types, control structures, and functions. Then, learn the basics of the Java programming language, including its syntax and core libraries. Learn web development. Learn the basics of web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This will give you a solid foundation for understanding how web applications work and how to build them. Learn the Spring framework. Spring is a popular Java framework for building web applications. Learn how to use Spring to build web applications with Java, including how to use its various modules such as Spring MVC, Spring Data, and Spring Security. Learn a front-end framework. Learn a front-end JavaScript framework such as React, Angular, or Vue.js. This will give you the ability to build dynamic and interactive user interfaces for your web applications. Learn a database. Learn how to use a database, such as MySQL, MongoDB, or Oracle, to store and retrieve data. Learn to build RESTful services. Learn how to build RESTful web services with Spring Boot, a popular Java framework for building web services. Practice and gain experience. Practice building web applications and gain experience working with different technologies and tools. Participate in coding challenges and contribute to open source projects to improve your skills and gain real-world experience. Learn DevOps. Learn how to deploy, monitor, and maintain web applications in a production environment using DevOps tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. Learn additional Java frameworks and libraries. There are many other Java frameworks and libraries that can be useful for building web applications, such as Hibernate, an ORM framework, Struts, a web application framework, and Apache Tomcat, a web server. Learn about cloud computing. Cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform are becoming increasingly popular for deploying web applications. Learn how to deploy and manage web applications on a cloud platform. Learn about microservices. Microservices is an architectural style that allows you to build and deploy small, independent services that work together to form a larger application. Learn how to build and deploy microservices using Java and frameworks like Spring Boot and Netflix OS. Learn about security. Security is an important aspect of web application development. Learn how to secure your web applications using techniques like encryption, authentication, and authorization. It's important to mention that the path and the order of steps may vary depending on the specific job requirements and personal preferences.